absolutely good
and are in great mental health.
So in today's video we are going to do affordable perfume collection.
So in this video we are going to share our perfume collection which are under rupees 500.
Yes, but also to give a disclaimer, we have one or two perfumes which are over the budget, but we just thought ki why not show you guys. Also, if you are new here and you're watching this faces for the very first time, so please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started. So starting first, we are going to start with the very basic deodorant. So first is this Nivea. I think many girls have been using this, and I think college girls have been, like most of them girls use this. So this is Nivea Protect and Care deodorant. इसका smell ऐसा है कि it's very calming and soothing, and also it keeps you fresh.
या ऑल्सो इफ मतलब जो लोगों को ज़्यादा हार्ड स्मेल नहीं पसंद है, जिन लोगों को हेडेक होने लगता है, माइग्रेन का प्रॉब्लम होता है, दे कैन इजीली यूज दिस. इट इज़ नॉट टू हार्श एंड इट इज़ अफोर्डेबल ऑल्सो.
And also I think it claims that when you apply on your underarms, it doesn't make your underarms black or turns black. It protects the skin from damaging. So yeah, I think there is nothing more to say about this. This is a very basic. Many of us has already used this. So this deodorant retails for rupees 190.
Okay, so moving on, the second one is also a deodorant. This is from Park Avenue. This is the white, what do you say, इसमें like black packaging भी आता है. This is the white edition of it, and this is actually a men's deodorant, I guess. But we don't mind using men deodorants because we like strong fragrance which last for more time. So yeah.
So moving on, the next up is Layer Water Girl. Many of us has already tried this one too, but I think it comes in 3 flavors, 3 or 4 flavors. I'm not sure about that. I have never seen someone using this, to be honest, because I have seen ranges of strawberry and a lot more in those ranges. This is in vanilla twist flavor, and it smells like a chocolate to be honest. So since I got this, I have not stopped myself wearing this. I have been using this back and forth, and I think every day I use this, and people have complimented me that I smell like a cupcake. And also again this is the sweet smell. So I got it from Amazon, I guess, and it was for rupees 190 or 200 or something on those lines. I will surely write it down here. So yeah, that's that.
Okay, so moving on, as we said, we like our perfumes to be sweet and on those lines that is in vanilla and chocolate. So this is from Plum and the range is vanilla vibes. So this is a very chocolatey flavor. I like this perfume a lot and this is my favorite one, and this lasts for a really good time, and also even my mom washes my clothes, I can smell the perfume even after it is washed. So yeah, this is a long lasting perfume, and this was for rupees 525, but I think you will get, of course you will get a discount when you will order it online. So yeah.
And also it is said that everyone should, like, at least we believe that everyone should have their signature smell, and everyone has, I guess, some has bad and some has good, whereas we are very particular, to be honest, like to smell good, like we always prefer to smell good. So as she said that she loves that perfume, like it's in the same range. I won't say that this lasts forever as that perfume lasts, but if anyone asks us what is a signature perfume, we could definitely say that one and this one. So yeah.
And also this says that it is nasty free, cruelty free and judgment free, and who don't like to smell good, right?
Yeah. So moving on, we forgot to show you this is again Park Avenue Pure collection, and this is in the smell trance. So talking about this perfume, like I think even this is men's, because I have seen like I have smelled similar perfume, my dad also has, but that is not Park Avenue one, I guess. So this is a very luxurious smell, to be honest. Like this retails for 210 rupees only. So also this perfume lasts for I think a longest time, I think 5 to 6 hours रह जाता है अच्छे से. This is such a perfume that others won't get irritated by it, or when you apply
Yeah, as we said that some people has problem of migraine and they can't bear harsh perfumes,
Perfumes, right.
so you can use this.
yeah. So this also comes in, I think, mild side only, but it smells luxurious. Yeah.
Okay, so moving on to the second last perfume we have. This is from Miniso and I like this packaging, you guys.
Yeah.
Look at this. And
It looks like a cotton candy,
yeah.
right?
And this says Iceland Aurora and it's written shine. And this also has a fruity flavor.
Yeah.
As we said, we like something sweet. And this retails for
I think this also has a luxurious smell to on a woman's side, because
Yeah.
this was on a like men's side, but this I would say it was quite good
and
smell.
this is my second favorite perfume, and this retails for 460 rupees only. Also looking at the packaging and the smell of this perfume, the price range is affordable. Also Miniso has very cute perfumes as these, and also it has many variants as such, and it retails under 500 only,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think. And it also looks luxurious, and the smell is, oh my god, I can't even explain, you guys.
Yeah. So we have almost done with our under 500 wala category. So there are only two perfumes that is left, and that is from Esbeda. So this is how the packaging is. Like, I love the packaging. I love its packaging. Like, it's white and golden, and it looks luxe. So talking about the smell, like, I can't say that I'm in love with the smell, but yes, it is good, but it lasts forever. I could say, because after even washing the clothes, it is there. I can still smell it on my clothes. But I would like, I rarely use this perfume. Like, I use it mostly in the weddings or in family get together. And this perfumes retails for 4990. That is 5,000. So yeah.
Okay, so the last perfume collection we have, also I have the same perfume, हम लोग ने साथ में ही लिया था, but she got the white edition and I have the black edition of it. So it looks like this, and the packaging is quite luxurious, as you can see, and the smell, it smells luxurious as she said. And ज़्यादा क्या बोलूँ, because she covered all the points in this, because ये भी सेम ही रेंज का है and it lasts forever. I think I am saying the same thing again
Yeah.
and again.
But
yeah.
is what it is.
Yeah. Also, if you are looking for an affordable version of this, as we recommended
Yeah.
you this Park Avenue one. I think the smell of this is quite similar. So if you don't want to invest in such a big amount, you can also invest in this. Also, they both give the same effect. This stays for, I think, 8 hours, as she said, and this lasts forever. So yeah. So guys, this was all it for this video. We hope you liked it, and we hope this was helpful for you guys. And comment down below what other videos you want us to do.
And also, guys, if you like this video, do hit like,
Share
and subscribe to our channel,
Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also, guys, YouTube is acting up. Please do subscribe and do like. It would help our channel to grow. And yeah, until then,
Stay humble
work hard and be kind.
Bye guys.